Ngiyawuthanda umbuzo wakho. Kodwa unfortunately izinto ayihambi kanjalo la emhlabeni. La emhlabeni kwa negative, kwa spiritually, kwa positive. It's easy to think that something bad will happen than to think that something good will happen. Okay? You know that. So, this thing that is talking in your head, that pretends to be you and sometimes pretend to be other people. This thing, unfortunately, is based on conditioning. Is based on survival. So, it works with the default mode of survival. So, izohlezi kulethela the worst case scenarios. It's not going to tell you that tomorrow you are going to be a millionaire. Tomorrow you are going to be in one of great places and you are going to be voted as a president. No, it's not going to tell you. It's going to tell you that, hey, you need to do something. Izweliyasha. Prepare yourself. Because why? You've been living with this thing for so long. This thing is conditioned. It is here to make you to survive. It will always tell you the worst case scenarios. And umsebenzi wabani uku-rewriter and flipped the script. Umsebenzi wako. And you are going to exercise your conscious will. But you are not going to start there because izokuphikisa. Izokuphikisa ayikho lento eshoyo. That is why you need to start by starving its attention ngalesi sikhathi. Ubingelelo changes akasha uthi ngenzana noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ucabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona. Futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona. Ukuze makuthiwa ignorance is bliss. Yabona into ekuthiwa inkinga, i-problem. Yenzeka ekhanda vele. Isekhanda lakho inkinga. Uyazi ukuthi lento angithi uzwile ukuthi le video engiresponda kuyona i-comment yakho iqale yathi sesiyitholile into eyenza ukuthi abantu beyibulala. Ngase ngiyanichazela yona nase niyavuma futhi ukuthi niyayazi lento. Naze naletha ama testimonials enu. So lento ke iyakwazi ukuthi manje igcinisa iba ama voices amaningi replicate iba ama voices amaningi. And wena ngeke uzwazi ukuthi ustop uzoshaya kuphi. I-solution iyona leyo yodwa kade ngikhuluma ngayo ukuthi starve its attention. And awukwazi ukuthi i-attention yakho ingabi bikho ndawo. Awukwazi ukwenza lokho. Attention yakho ayikwazi ukungabi bikho ndawo. Yabo kunento ekuthiwa i-narrowed focus, noma i-convergence focus, ne-divergence or spatial focus. So i-focus i-attention yakho. Ukusho ukuthi ngesikhathi unaka lento esekhanda lakho, lento esekhanda lakho will make you to have what we call it a convergence focus. Convergence focus based on survival. It is zoom in with problem. And by the time you zoom in the problem, we are creating all the worst case scenarios. Ngaleso sikhathi, we are allowing this thing to get sweet of you in your head. Yabo? And you become more dense and more matter. And you predict the future based on what is known already. So, it's a self-fulfilling prophecy. You are going to repeat the past. And then your life is predictable. You are in a vicious cycle of what is known. Because this thing is not taking any new information. It wants to predict the future based on the known. That is the Newtonian law. In Newton's law, if we know the rotation of something, the mass and all these things, if we have the information of an object, we can predict the time that will take for it to gravity le. Yabo? Uthi ibhanoyi malisuka la, sazi speed, sazi yonke into, singapredict leli bhanoyi leli. Lizofika nini lapha ya? Yabo? So manje you are using what is known to predict. So if you are using what is known, that's what this thing that is in your head will going to do. It will use already the information that you have. And by so doing, you become more dense, and you now you are in a survival mode, and that's where we are. Your sympathetic nervous system is activated, and biologically you are sending the information to your cells that will lead to you feeling the same way and acting the same way. Then we are having a repeated future. We are predictable. So that's how your past becomes your present and potentially your future, because of listening to this thing that is in your head. Until you starve its information, until you starve its attention. Once you starve its attention, then you are not going to have a convergence focus. When you are focusing, focus enkingeni. Ugcina ungasagezi nakugeza, usadli nakudla, ufocus kule nkinga le. Angithi yabo, ngaleso sikhathi you are more matter, you are consuming more energy, more of your auric energy in your body, your energetic field. Sometimes ugcina sewugula nokugula ke impela, because you are taking this shield that is protecting you. Yabo umuntu onenkinga nje ugula njalo. Umuntu onenkinga ugula njalo. Ingenxa yalonto. But uma uyistave attention lento izokwenza kanjani? Izokwenza njani? Uzoba lento ethi divergence focus, spatial focus. You are going to be no one. You are not going to define yourself based on the problem you have and everything that you already know. You are going to be in the present moment. You are going to operate from the quantum field. So you are going to be here and now. Yabo? If you are here and now, this thing, you will starve its attention, because now you are here and now you are focusing, you are more connected to the reality, you are grounded. Ne? Ngaleyo ndlela ke, that is where kuzofika khona ama epiphanies. You are going to download from the quantum field new possibilities. You are activating now your autonomous nervous system. You are in a sympathetic system, sympathetic nervous system, not ilele enye le ka fight or flight mode. No, parasympathetic nervous system le ephathelene ne digestive system, ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi ube cool, ube chilled, yabo, ukwazi ukulalela no music. Ngaleso sikhathi ayikho inkinga isekhanda ngokulalela lento. Inkinga isekhanda ngokulalela lento ikunikeza worst case scenarios instead of living life. Then when now we are busy arguing with this thing. Ngasikhathi usuke parasympathetic nervous system, you are in a divergence focus, you are here and now, you are focusing on the present moment. Your energetic field grows. Now you are pulling up, we are downloading new information from the quantum field, and we are operating from the time space, not the space time. Because if you are operating from the space time, it means when you are going to be someone somewhere, and you are going to be you are operating on a ego ukuthi ngubani wakabani odlule kwini, enguphi nje manje ngibhekene nani, ngifuna ukwenzani, ngifuna ukuba kuphi. Then there is a difference and a space between you in this reality and that desired reality, and it's going to take you more time. A matter to change matter, it takes more time. But if you are operating on a parasympathetic nervous system, on a quantum field, we are not using the convergence focus. Uzokwazi uku-operate with time space where you are going to be in your desired reality. Ngani ngokwe energetic field first. Ngoba phela uzobe ungasabulutho because inkinga isekhanda. Angithi inkinga yenzeke ekhanda. Inkinga wena ma uyisusa i-attention yakhe enkingeni, inkinga iyaphela. Yawazi lokho? Inkinga iyaphela ma ususa i-attention yakhe enkingeni, inkinga iyaphela. Yazi, can you allow life to take care of itself? Life can take care of itself without you micromanaging it. Yazi lonto. Kunjona based on fear, if when you think based on what you know, you are going to predict something new, already uzophinda phindite yodwa. Kodwa mangabe uthi I surrender, I live life, do you think nje imbuzi wena inaso nje stress sokuthi emadoda sekuzubusika, yazi njengoba sekuzubusika madoda umuntu uzolamba indaba kaTshani uzoyimisa kanjani? Do you think imbuzi inaso leso stress? And do you think imbuzi yafa nje ibulawe yilokho ukuthi sekubusika manje? Umuntu onaleyo nkinga leyo ngobani une access kwi past ne future, and yena nje obene access kwi past ne future, leyo nto isebenzisa ngokwe disadvantage yakhe, akayisebenzisi ngokwe advantage yakhe ukuthi athi pull up the desired reality ayiphile manje ngokuthi afocus kwi present moment first, ukuze suffocate lento la ekhanda lakhe, emtshela all the worst case scenarios angeke aze enzeke ngisho kwenzeka.